Hello, today we will present our project.
Our project is research of natural extract for inhibiting fungi contamination in simple plant tissue culture.
This is the member of our team.
Utility of project is the success of plant tissue culture depends on the composition of nutrient and sterilization technique to ensure optimal growth and disease-free condition for plant tissue. Currently, Hiter is used as a sterilizing agent instead of an autoclave. Well, this method effectively eliminates bacteria fungi contamination remain an issue, necessitating the use of additional in the fungi against. Moreover, its complexity of plant tissue culture practice makes it difficult for farmers to implement successfully. Therefore, selecting affordable, locally available, and non-toxic substance is essential. The researcher is interested in studying natural extract and components of the culture medium or as part of the sterilization process in combination with ether to reduce fungi contamination in plant tissue culture. Objective of project is the goal is to separate fungal contaminants in simple plant tissue culture process, and the purpose is to find natural extracts that have the ability to inhibit the growth of the communicating fungi in simple plant tissue culture. Related literature is tissue culture technique, tissue culture media, Kaffer lamp, finger root, crop, and white beetle.
These are equipment and ingredients. This is the method of operation. The first step, sorting out contaminating fungi in the process of plant tissue culture. Select tissue culture contaminated with fungi, then classify them based on appearance. Take contaminated culture bottle containing difference of fungi to isolate pure fungi. Purify fungi using a aseptic technique by cutting a small agar piece with mold and covering them on Kirisak agar medium. Incubate for 3 to 5 days and stick the culture fungi onto fresh media for filter and purification. The second step, extraction of natural extract. Bring a total of 30 types of herbs to be tested. Write them 30 grams and blend it thoroughly. After that, clean it with porcelain mortar and pestle, along with adding 95% alcohol, volume 10 ml, and filter with some cheesecloth. The third step, testing the effectiveness of natural extract in inhibiting isolate fungi. Prepare agar medium, pour into petitis and leave for one night. Then do the doppler, dissolve into agar medium. Then take photo of crude herbal extract into peso. Then take the culture fungi and cut it into small pieces and place it into servot. Blink to incubate at room temperature.
Research required by selecting fungi from tissue culture media that are growing fungal tissue. The fungal species are separated by physical characteristics, namely color and growth characteristics. When the diseased fungi were obtained, they were separated for purification using a aseptic technique. It was found that egg isolates of contaminated fungi on tissue culture media could be separated. Fungus 1, fungus 2, fungus 3, fungus 4, fungus 5, fungus 6, fungus 7, and fungus 8, with physical characteristics and shown in the picture. Summary of separating results. 1. From the separation of fungi found contaminating in plant tissue culture media by observing physical differences using the aseptic technique, 8 isolates were able to be separated. 2. From the test of the inhibition ability of the isolated fungi, it was found that the garlic extract has the best inhibition ability against the isolated fungi, which was able to inhibit 5 isolates, namely fungi 1, fungi 2, fungi 3, fungi 4, and fungi 6. Garlic extract is the best at inhibiting the growth of fungi because it contains many chemical compounds with outstanding properties such as lecithin, glycine, and argon, which have the ability to inhibit the growth of many types of bacteria, fungi, and virus.
Thank you for watching our present.